Let's look at the ship from Ensenada, a little town in Mexico right along the western coast. Most cruise ships along the west coast will stop in Ensenada. It's a cute little port town. As you can see, the ship is so big compared to the rest of the port. It's a short 15-20 minute walk into town where there's lots of shops and restaurants and lots of photo opportunities. Maybe a spelling error or two. There's usually a little market over in that big wide plaza over there. You can get some unique items. This is the Radiance, which is one of the other ships that sails out of Long Beach. This is a refurbished ship. This used to be the Carnival Victory, and it was redone and renamed to the Carnival Radiance. One of our favorite things to do is to go and check out the seals and the sea lions. You can't really see them today, but we could definitely hear them. Sometimes there's a lot more, but it's definitely a highlight of an Ensenada day. See that Costa funnel up there, but it's still a Carnival ship. It was a gorgeous day, slightly breezy. Perfect to go for a little walk and explore. Every crew member you meet is super happy and friendly and excited to see you. It was such a gorgeous day that the retractable dome was opened, and it was so beautiful inside, and it was so calm and peaceful, and it was a port day, so a lot of people were off doing shore excursions, so there was a lot of nice empty chairs where you could go and relax and find a place to eat a snack or have a drink or just relax in a lounge chair. There was something playing on the big screen. I don't remember exactly what it was, but this is always a great place to hang out. As you can see, the pool is almost empty because there was just not that many people on board because it was a port day. It's one of the reasons I enjoy staying on the ship on a port day. Much less people. Just don't forget your sunscreen. Or your hat. I'm a fan of floppy hats. Off the back of the ship, that's where the seals were. They were over on the little buoys over there. Sometimes they're swimming around on the rocks right there. Onto the Terrace patio that is exclusively for the Terrace suite guests. Mountains of Ensenada. The back of the ships is one of my favorite places to be. And you can see on a port day, it was practically empty. And it was the perfect temperature, and we sat out here for quite some time. These little stores before the pandemic used to be open, and they had everything that you could need. I'd go and get some vanilla, and you get some tequila, you could get a sweatshirt, whatever you needed you could get in those little shops, but they have not been open since the pandemic, which makes me very sad. But it's still fun to go and walk into the little areas and walk into town and get your favorite Mexican products. Let me know in the comments below what you like to get in Mexico. What's the one thing that you must get? We came back into the Michelangelo Dining Room. This is the main dining room. If you have anytime dining, you can also have breakfast and lunch here, complete with a statue of David. It's a gorgeous room, very open and airy. It doesn't feel claustrophobic. Just outside, you go to the art gallery. All the pictures are displayed. You can go to the art auction and take some of this beautiful art home. But it's also fun just to walk by and look at it. Our favorites are the Kincaids. We have a couple in our house actually that we've gotten from ship auctions. It changes daily, so you can come back on a different day and you can see different art. And you can go to the auctions and see even more art. It's a fun little cruise tradition that some people like to do. We used to do it a lot more than we do now. But it was lots of fun. One of our favorites, Stitch and Lilo. I'm looking forward to the live action movie. This is the Limelight Lounge where they do the comedy shows. So it turns into the Punchliner Comedy Club. Plenty of seating for everybody. Waiters walk around and take your drink order so you can just enjoy the show. Comfy seating, and the comedy shows are always a good time. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite part of visiting Mexico is.